Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can find your Epic Games email and password. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Alright, so here I have Epic Games on my web browser. Now, what you can do is you can go to your account here. And under account settings tab, this is where you can see your email and your password. Now, if you are in a situation where you cannot access your account, you can go to EpicGames.com and you can click on this one to sign in and click on Forgot Your Password. Now, type in the email address that you want to receive the verification from and just click on Send Email. Now, after that one, just follow the prompt and you should be all set. Okay, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.